G'day folks. Well, it seems I've been rained out for the last few days, having a bit of trouble getting things done. I'll try and go out here without getting wet, without getting the camera wet anyway. As you can see, I've done a bit of tidying up. I've got to dismantle this thing next weekend. It's all wrecked. We'll sort these things out and hopefully get into this one day when it dries out. We had a nice dry day on Sunday when I did washing machine from hell, and after that it all just turned to crap. Well, something good just came into the yard today. These old tool posts and lathe bits. Lots of them. That would fit my current lathe. Replaceable chuck jaws. There's a face plate. Big motor. This thing there's got inserts on it. That's a mortise attachment for a turret. Definitely got to get that. There's another mortise sleeve in there. Carbide tipped reamers. Another mortise attachment with an adjustable slide, flooring heads. Oh yeah, gotta buy a lot of this stuff. More carbide tipped reamers. It's got a high-speed steel tool bit in it. Hasn't been weighed yet, so I've got to wait until it gets processed, then I can pick through it. Something in there. Don't know what that green thing is. Well, I figured it's time for a quick update. Didn't get an awful lot done last week, but apart from the destruction of a washing machine, which was great fun, I can always get more of them and do more videos like that. This copy is awaiting disassembly soon. Absolutely wrecked. Yeah, just working through some of these units, and I'm going to do a video on how to build a mott box. Well, that's just how to set up the transformers safely anyway. That's the main thing. You get the transformers and you build a box around it basically. I'm going to do this washer next too. I found another motor from one of these. Slightly different model, which has the round dial in the centre. I think it's an AC brush motor. These may or may not be a DC one, but either way, we'll find a way to run it flat chat. Right, well, the washer had already been pretty crushed, but the motor is fine. This is a Welling electronic control motor, 220, 240 volts, 50 hertz, 4 amps, 50 watts, washing cycle winding, spin cycles 2 amps, 300 watts, and it's got wires going to what would that be, a servo position switch or something, 2 wires for the brushes, and I think 4 for the field windings, 2 speeds, something like that. So yeah, I'll find a way to make this thing run flat out. But that's for later anyway. Alright, while the weather holds out, let's have a quick look at this thing first. Different model to what I pulled the motor out at the scrapyard. Different control board and drive. That's obviously AC filtering in. Yeah, the back cover was caved in against the pulley, so I pushed that out, but I don't know if the main drive pulley's bent or not. Got a feeling it might be. I might just run the belt off. But I'll turn the power on and see what it does. Alright, go main power on. Funny chime. As if to say, hello, I'm on. telling it to spin. Door lock fault. It's because it's jammed. Oh no, it means you can't actually open it. Let's lock the door out. But we're not spinning. The belt's still on. Hang on. Damn thing still sort of works. Some bits of trash in there. Drum's not straight. I think the whole thing got a bit mangled. Well, let's see what this thing does for a while. Oh, the pulley and everything's bent. The water pump's run. Come look, damn you. I think it's because the cover's bent. It's jammed. The door lock's gone in and it hasn't come out. Okay, I'm guessing these are actually an AC motor since they have field poles on them. I should have recognised that earlier. But that sort of makes things easier. I just put 240 across it. Maybe even straight to the brushes and just see what the hell this thing does. Well, I'll try it with the one on the test bench first. See how that goes and then try this one. And this one's obviously been leaking from around the seal. Control programs and everything run fine. It tried to run a full cycle till it realised there was no water going in. It threw up an alarm and started beeping at me. But apart from that, yeah, it'd be fun. Don't know what this outer drum's made out of, but it looks like glass-filled polypropylene. So it might burn quite nicely. That's definitely polypropylene though. You can tell by the waxy feel of it. Yeah, big moth didn't survive the bug zapper. It smells horrible. All the heat pump's doing is recirculating the smell. Carnage everywhere else.